Hello there and welcome back to Trinity Stamps. Today we're taking a close-up look at a new product from the Sparkle Season holiday release. It's the Winter Tree Cut and Foil Die Set. This is a two-piece set. It has a hot foil plate that measures approximately 3 inches by 4 1/4 inches, and there is a die that you can use to cut out your hot foiled winter tree. So let's take a look at this tree hot foiling in action. So you're going to need a hot foil system, a piece of smooth white cardstock or any color of smooth cardstock, a piece of hot foil, and then you can set your plate pretty side down onto that hot foil and then put the whole thing face down onto your preheated system. You put the spacer pads right on top, wait for that timer to go off, and about a minute later you can remove that and run it right through a die cutting machine. The heat and the pressure are going to transfer that image into the paper. So let's see what it looks like all hot foiled with that prism foil I used. So gorgeous. What a lovely winter tree. All right, this is the coordinating die. I'm just taping it in place, and you can see it's going to cut out the tree and leave a little bit of a white border all the way around the outside edge. Just gorgeous. All right, let me show you another way that you can use this. You can take the die and die cut an opening into your card. And this you can then use to make a shaker card. But I want my tree to be on the inside, the actual hot foiled tree. So I've just laid my background down on the front of my card base, and that shows me exactly where I need to place my tree. You can see I've inked over that hot foiled tree a little bit, and that created a nice glow around it of ink. All right, so I can now remove my background, add my shaker elements, and then put my window covered card front over the top. And that's going to give me a really cool shaker card with this cut and foil set. Here's a close-up look at the finished card, and it has its sentiment and a few little extra embellishments as well. If you like this hot foil winter tree, you might also love the new hot foil and cut pine tree from this same release. Now let's take another look at some examples with this winter tree cut and foil set. Here we can see some other ways to use this set and hopefully get you inspired to create. I thank you so much for stopping by today. If you'd like more inspiration from Trinity Stamps, you can find us on Instagram and Facebook too. And we'll see you again very soon with a new video. Bye.